Hello guys, in this video I'm going to try and troubleshoot a problem that appeared on my phone about 2 days ago, and some of you might have the same thing. It's freezing, I don't know, from time to time for about a second, maximum 2 seconds. It does absolutely nothing in that time. So let's get to it. Let me just try and show you what I'm talking about. Let's browse 9gag, for example. It's going its average way. Seems a bit slower than normal. You can see some stuttering, but it's usable. I will tell you when we have one of those big freezes. That was one, again one. And that was a huge one right there. So it's not really often, maybe, I don't know, once a minute or something like that, but when it freezes, it's quite annoying. And you do not know when it will happen, so it can happen at any time. Writing a message or something, it just freezes. You could see it right there, it just froze and then it wrote everything out really quickly. So yeah, that's quite annoying. Let's get to troubleshooting now. Okay, I installed an app. Simple System Monitor is called. It shows you the CPU usage. You can put this thing on top of your apps. Let's see something else. Maybe load average, but this cannot be put onto something else. RAM. Let's try and use network and disk activity and see what info these things can give us. We are on 9gag once again. Let's start scrolling and see what we get when we have a freeze. Right there it was. And we had a big spike in disk activity. In CPU usage, almost no problem. Okay. So it's kind of on the big disk activities. I think something like what was happening to older computers when the hard drives were really slow and you accessed the hard drive intensively, your whole computer just froze. So I'm thinking something like this is happening to my phone. When it has a huge spike in disk activity, it just freezes. And some app is causing that, and it just started 2 days ago. I didn't install any new apps or something like that. It just started. Let's try and find one more. Okay, there they were, but weirdly enough, no huge spike in disk activity or network or anything. Although a bit of network traffic was made at that point, and I think the last time again a bit of network traffic was made when we had the issue, but just a little bit. So this is weird for the moment. I'm going to try and take out the SIM card and disable everything, wireless networks, Bluetooth, every single thing that I can disable, I will disable and see what happens then. Obviously I already tried disconnecting the battery, turning off the phone, resetting the phone, all the obvious stuff I already tried and did not fix the problem. We've just powered back on. As you can see, no SIM card. Let's kill Bluetooth, let's kill wireless. Hopefully 9GAG still has things loaded. And let's see if we can have this problem once again. Obviously it's trying to download, we do not care about that. We are searching for freezes. You could saw there a few freezes, so it's still doing it. Let's try and write a message and see what it does. Okay, it just did it right there. So it's nothing related to the network or to Wi-Fi or to Bluetooth. It's an app. One of my apps is doing this. Okay, first thing, I'm going to try something that helped me in the past when I had weird problems. Go to settings, go to apps, and search in your downloaded to see if any app that you didn't want to install is present, if any weird app is present that you do not know if you installed yourself or it came by itself with another app as a malware. Uninstall it, sorry. But I checked downloaded and they're all apps that I installed myself, so that is good. Now I'm going to go to all apps and go to Google, because something gives me the impression that this is creating the problems once again. And you click on uninstall updates. You can go to disable, but that's not really necessary. Clear cache, but it's cleared obviously, and enable. As you could see, it already gave us an error, so this is it now. And I'm going to try and do the same thing with these other two apps from Google. yeah, it's an active device administrator, so it will not let me do that. Let me just clear cache for the moment on this app. And for Google Play Store, clear cache obviously, clear data, maybe not. Let's just try and uninstall updates for a moment. I don't want to input all my settings now. Yes, factory version will be installed. We are getting a few errors at this moment. Let us just give it a quick disable. No, not clear data for the moment. Enable. Or actually, you know what? Clear data. Maybe that is where the problem lies. Let me just see in the previous one in Google app if I have a possibility only cache. I don't have a possibility to clear data here. Okay, so now at this point I will play with the phone for a few minutes to see if I have any more problems. Maybe even give it now a quick restart. And for me at least, this fixed the problem. I did this for about 10 minutes and no more freezing. So it was all about those Google apps needing to be sent back to the factory version. And some of them disabled, cleared cache and enabled back again. They will update themselves to the latest version, but from my experience, without the problems. I had problems with them a few months ago, giving random errors, did about the same thing. I will also put that video in the description, and even those problems got solved. So it's nothing about hardware, it's just software. As you can see, working perfectly. As you can see, zero problems. So, there are a few things that you need to do in this case. Try to search for an app that you did not install and has nothing to do on your phone in the downloaded apps. Uninstall that. If that does not fix your problem, go to the Google apps, clear the cache, clear everything that you can and revert to the factory version of those apps. They will update by themselves without problems later. If even that doesn't work, simply back up all your data and give your phone a factory reset. I always try to avoid that because it's annoying to reinstall everything, so that is why I try to fix it with the second thing by clearing the cache and going to the factory version of the apps. Let me just show you once again. Settings, let me zoom in, maybe you can see it a bit better. Apps, it depends on the phone, it might not look like this, not on downloaded, but on all apps, and simply go to Google, let's say Google app this time, clear cache, and it has here a button that you can disable it, and it will tell you that it cannot, some apps cannot work without it. Don't care, you will enable it, just back up. And on many apps, when you click on or tap on this, it will tell you to go to the factory version of that app, click or tap on yes or OK, and you are at the factory version. I am already, so it's not telling me that. I enabled it once again and no more problems. And do this with Google app, with Google Play service, Google Play Store, and yeah, that should be about it, I think. Maybe if you have something like Google Google services or something like that without Play, try that too, and you should be all good. So that's about it, guys. Hopefully this video helps you get rid of this annoying freezing. Make sure you do not have malware on your phone that you can see in download it. If it appears as a weird app that you did not install yourself, try to get rid of that one. And yeah, that's about it. So hopefully it works for you. Now I can put back my SIM card to have a working phone once again. Check out my other videos, like this video, subscribe, and see you again in the next one. Bye. Okay, annoyingly the problem came back about 20 minutes, half an hour later, after all the updates were installed. So the apps came back to the latest version. But now I found the culprit a little bit more exactly, and let me show it to you. One moment. Okay. So this is the culprit in my case. It's the Google app, which can be called just Google or Google search. As you can see here, it's the Google search box. That little box that you might have on your screen where you enter some text for a quick Google search. Well, that thing is causing problems in my phone. So I went again to the base version, but same thing would happen in a loop. It would update itself, then cause problems. If I go back to the base version, it works for a while, then it updates itself. So I'm going to simply disable it, force stop it, and it's done. I don't have the Google search box anymore. I never use it. So for me this is a non-issue, and zero problems on my phone anymore after I do this thing. So that Google search box actually was doing something in the background that caused my phone to freeze from time to time, which is quite annoying. For you it might be another thing, but try to work it out in a similar way to what I did here. If you ever need to enable it back, again go to apps, then go to disabled, and you have it here. You can click on it and enable. And that's about it, guys. This is working perfectly now with data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, whatever, everything is working. That's about it. Thanks for watching once again, and give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.